this little beauty right here will wait for another day and another video. Measuring tape. How far is this? 68 inches. There we go, 68 inches. I did not need to go to the gym today. You guys just hang out there for a minute and enjoy the view while I finish digging this hole. That was a hawk or an eagle out there. I've been seeing some huge birds playing around. When you're using a post hole digger, you have to rotate where you're cutting in, or else it'll always just keep grabbing at the same spot and it doesn't dig as fluently. So hit, you can even rotate it in there, but hit, grab, change it, grab, just be moving it so it cuts up evenly. And in all fair warning, not many post holes dig this well in this valley. I have landscaped for years up here, and most holes don't dig like that. So don't expect it to be smooth. It probably is going to be brutal. All right, I think we're ready to tip this guy up. Kind of roughly line up those holes. See how well this goes. This is probably a better two-man job, but I'm a one-man show most of the time. So here we go. Up, up, up. Yeah, baby. Look at that bad boy. She's a beaut, Clark. I think where that sits is where it's gonna stay for now. Let's put a little bit of dirt in that one side. Kind of get it a little more square. A little more. There we go. That is my meter main. That is so cool. You guys, we have a meter main. So this right here is going to eventually be telling me how much juice that house and shop are pulling. I don't know if I want to see those numbers. You can't do it unless you put in the infrastructure first. Now I need a shovel. Let's go get one. Four-wheel drive so we don't spin out. And you can see it in here. We're in four-wheel drive. Now I can shove some dirt. And I'm just using dirt right now because once all of the conduit is ran through here, I will create a cement pad around it and hard case it all in. But until then, I just want to dirt fill this in case something's got to be slightly adjusted. And we've got so much digging around here that I've got to do for trenches, for the conduit itself. I felt like cement would just make things a little bit harder to do. Now the only thing I need out here now is a dog running around. A big dog. Not a little lady dog, she's too little. The birds will pick her up. Now I know somebody's thinking, Joe, that seems really high off the ground, but it kind of is because in theory, my floor height will be just below this. When we do a cement pad out here, it'll be just below the grade of this. So realistically, that'll put me maybe standing up to here on it, or even taller, so I'll be almost eye level with this, which I think is great. And to be honest, being up out of the way means it's one, less vulnerable, and two, kids are less likely to play with it, hopefully. Put some big locks on these so they can't touch it. That'll be a lot better use. Did I already lose that little, oh, that's stupid. This little thing right here is called a dead cat for your microphone. It blocks all the wind and like the abrasive noise that you really don't want to hear. This one just keeps falling off. Today's task, how to put it on there and make it stay somehow. Anyway, but I left all of this extra on because I can always cut it back to here if I need to. But in the event that we, I don't know, start trying to power the entire valley, I've got room for junction boxes till the day's end. So I figure I can cut off some when we finally get it figured out and know where stuff's going. But until then, this is great. This will be perfect. Super cool, guys. Super cool. And I think I want to figure out how to place this thing so that it's not visible. Maybe up in the hat. I don't know if that'll work. Maybe that looks funky. I don't know, but I don't like it being seen. I do like it picking up everything, so I don't know what we got to do here. Man, that's way too dark. That's not going to work, is it? You guys, I am super excited about having my meter main set ready for the city to come in and connect us all the way up. We are pretty well golden, and I'm really excited about using this new Ranger SP570 on this property. It's going to be a cool utility vehicle, and I do recommend going and checking out Polaris's website. They are not sponsoring this video, but if you've known me for years, I'm a huge Polaris fan, and I love them. Love the brand, love the company, and I stand by their vehicles. They're excellent. And I've just had a lot of fun, and they brought our family a lot of happiness over the years. You guys, this video is all over the place, and I apologize for that. If you are not up to date on all of the process of building this house, things we've done thus far, I will link that playlist down below. Go check them out. Make sure you are caught up to date. I don't want you starting on this episode and being like, what happened in the first few? Go check them out. Make sure you get caught up to date. That's your homework for today. So if you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. You guys, I am super excited. Oh, let's go over here. I should have brought gloves. Gotta get those traps. Build those traps. Whoa. Don't be a pal. All the products are, I mean, you just can't even see me. If you guys are not up to date on how dark I am, that's atrocious. If you guys are not, guys, this video